A powerful winter storm contributes to the formation of the decisive snow cover in the Sierra Nevada. UC Berkeley Central Sierra Snow Lab tweeted a video from the snow conditions and say 8.5 inches of snow had fallen in the area in last 24 hours. In the central and southern Sierra regions, snow cover is now more than 200% above the normal to this date and is 76% of April 1 average, which is usually the peak, according to the California Department of Water Resources. Snow cover in California mountains is some of the best in 40 years, officials say Tuesday, bolstering hope that drought-hit state will soon relive in the spring as snow melts and begin to fill parched waterways. The current storms are flooding central California, are dumping snow into Sierra Nevada, a beautiful mountain range that is home to national park and seismic mountains, trails and roads. The snow will never make a difference in Lake Mead, the epicenter of 23-year mega-drought that has engulfed the southwest desert. First snow drop in California headlines as atmospheric river after effects stay the UC Berkeley snow. Laboratory in the central Nevada reported 9.4 inches of new snow in the period 24 hours of the Tuesday morning. Snowfall levels should increase the morning and we expect another 36 inches of accumulation next day. Heavy rain snowfall hit California. State highways closed due to flooding. California has seen torrential rain and snowfall after the massive storm hit the state. Traffic was dispersed and several highways were closed due to flooding. A severe storm brought heavy rain and heavy snow to much of California, hampering traffic and closed roads as the state prepared to enter the new year. In the highlights of the Sierra Nevada, up to 2 feet of snow could accumulate by early Sunday. The National Weather Service in Sacramento issued a warning hazardous driving conditions and tweeted showing traffic on snow-covered mountain spaces where vehicles might have chain or all-wheel drive. A long and wide plume of moisture from the Pacific Ocean pulled the so-called atmospheric river storm. Flooding and landslides is closest selection of roads in Northern California. There are too many roads closed to at this time to count. The Sacramento Water Agency said in the afternoon tweet, Sacramento County urged residents of the unincorporated community of the Wilton to evacuate, warning that flooded roads could block access to travel from the area. Rainfall in downtown Sacramento exceeded 5 inches at noon, making it the second water day on the record size in November 1994 flood. As the rain continues to fall, it could jeopardize a nearly 13-year-old record. The total amount of liquid in the Sierra can reach 5 to 7 inches over the 2 days period, resulting in several feet of snow in the high Sierra, 2 to 4 inches in the foothills, and 1 to 2 inches in western Nevada. Severe storms will continue throughout the New Year holiday weekend, and another system is expected to connect the atmospheric river from Friday to early morning and pour heavy rain and snow in high altitude. The service saying the special statement. Precipitation is tuned to snow on some Sierra highways, including Interstate 18 west of Rocky near Turner Summit, prompting the Nevada Weather Service in ready to update winter storm warning that went into effect 10 a.m. hours earlier than expected. Snow levels will decrease during the morning as the colder phase of the storm approaches. The service says snow levels will drop at nearly 7,000 feet by mid-morning, at nearly lake level by the end of the day, dropping about 5,000 feet in the evening. The Nevada Department of Transportation is reminding travelers to slow down to avoid collisions, saying there were 175 bad weather crashes, including 2 fatalities. The Sierra Avalanches Center has issued an avalanche warning that is in effect until due to high danger in remote areas.